Hi, Mr. Aslan, the landlord here, and the time is 10:47 hours in the morning, 47 minutes past 10 on Monday, 8th of February 2021, and I'm about to have a brunch. It's a 4-fruit salad. I have papaya, 2 thick slices of pineapple, black seedless grapes, red pitaya, and I've squeezed the juice of 1 key lime. This is the core of the key lime, which I'll plant the seeds. I've also squeezed the juice of half a lemon, sorry, and I've saved the seeds here for planting as well. These are the lemon seeds. And what I've done is I've put a scoop of this stuff, which is mixed rye flakes and oat bran. Okay, now the reason why I put bran is because it's full of micronutrients. So if you remember, people say brown rice is preferable to white rice because the bran is removed from white rice through polishing, and the bran is where the micronutrients are. So by adding bran, whether wheat bran or oat bran or rice bran or whatever bran, I'll be having those micronutrients. The rye flakes are there primarily for the extra fiber. What I've also added was this stuff which I made myself. It's ground flax seeds, which are called Flaxmeal, together with chia seeds. So I keep them in sealed containers and refrigerate it so that they last longer. Once you grind stuff, they are more easily oxidized and they may turn rancid. But keeping it in an airtight container in the fridge, you can keep it for about a month or so without any problems. Okay, so what else do I have? I have a red pitaya, black seedless grapes, 2 thick slices of pineapple, and half a small papaya. Okay, the pineapples I have every day, whether it's in my salads or my fruit salads or whatever else. I try to eat between a third and half a pineapple every day because the bromelain is good for dissolving the floaters in my eyes. What else do I put in here? Yes, I put some chaat masala. Okay, this is chaat masala. It's a way of adding more spices into my diet, and spices all contain antioxidants, primarily polyphenols. And I make my own chaat masala, and I have videos about the recipe, so you can look it up on YouTube. I add non-traditional ingredients, things like cloves and cinnamon, because they're very high in antioxidants, polyphenols, and also cardamom, because I find cardamom goes very well with the eugenol in the cloves and the cinnamon. They complement each other taste-wise. The taste profile is a lot better. Okay, I don't put salt in my chaat masala, but other people do. I add also churanam nelikai, which is dried amla powder. I bought this stuff some time back. I haven't used it yet. It's asam boy, dried asam boy. I suspect it has sugar and salt in it as well. It's a made in Malaysia stuff, so of course they don't say what the ingredients are. Some cottage industry, probably some makcik in some kampung somewhere, Kak Yong, it makes it. Okay, everything is so tiny anyway, can't read it. So anyway, I'll probably make some jaljeera powder or chaat masala using this as one of the ingredients. We'll see. When I run out of my chaat masala, we'll see what I do. Okay, so that's it for today, and see you next time. Bye. Oh, I've also got some pumpkin seeds, a sprinkling of pumpkin seeds. Sometimes I put pumpkin seeds, sometimes I put sunflower seeds, depending on my mood. The whole idea is to get diversity of nutrients. Okay, see you next time. Bye.